Hey everyone, welcome to Life English Pro. I'm your host, Sarah, and joining me as always is the one and only Leo.
What's up, friends? Leo here, ready to make English learning feel like hanging out with buddies instead of sitting in a boring classroom.
Today's topic is something we all do, probably more than we admit: ordering fast food.
Oh yeah, picture this. You're hungry, you're in a hurry, and boom, there's a golden arches sign calling your name. Fast food is everywhere, and knowing how to order it confidently in English can save you time, money, and a whole lot of awkward moments.
Exactly. Whether you're grabbing a quick burger on your lunch break, treating the family to tacos, or surprising yourself with a late-night drive-through run, these conversations happen every single day. Mastering them means you'll sound natural, polite, and totally in control. No more pointing at pictures or mumbling, that one.
And let's be honest, it's fun too. Nothing beats the satisfaction of ordering exactly what you want. Maybe even scoring an extra sauce or a free cookie because you nailed the polite phrases.
So stick around, because in the next half hour or so, we're going to role play real-life situations, break down every useful word and phrase, laugh at some funny mistakes, and even practice a bunch of different fast food spots like McDonald's, KFC, Starbucks, and Subway. By the end, you'll be ordering like a pro.
Before we jump in, quick reminder. Repeat after us. Pause the video if you need to, and try saying the lines out loud. That's how you actually improve your speaking skills. Ready? Let's go.
Okay, Leo, let's start super simple. Imagine you just walked into a fast food place after a long day. What's the first thing you hear from the cashier?
Usually something like, "Hi, welcome. What can I get started for you today?" Or, "How can I help you?" Those are friendly openers that invite you to order without pressure.
Right. So as the customer, you don't have to say, "I want." That sounds a bit demanding. Instead, try softer, natural expressions like "I'd like," or "Can I have," or even "I'll take." They sound way more polite and natural.
Let me show you. Pretend I'm the cashier and you're the hungry customer. "Hi, welcome to McDonald's. What can I get started for you today?"
Hi, I'd like a Big Mac combo, please.
"Great choice. Would you like fries with that?"
Yes, please. And can I make it a large?
"Absolutely. Anything to drink?"
A Coke, thanks.
"For here or to go?"
To go, please. See how smooth that was? We used "I'd like," "Can I make it a large," "For here" or "to go," all super common and easy to remember.
Now, let's break it down so our viewers can steal these phrases forever. "I'd like" is the golden ticket. It works everywhere, from fancy restaurants to street food trucks. It's polite but confident.
Would you like fries with that? Is the classic upsell question. Cashiers say it to tempt you, but you can answer with a quick "yes, please" or "no thanks, I'm good."
And "for here" or "to go," super important. "For here" means you'll eat inside, so they give you a tray. "To go" means you want a bag or box to take away. In some places, they say "eat in" or "take away," but "for here" or "to go" is the most common in American-style fast food.
Leo, you're always ordering way too much food. Tell the viewers about that time you tried to order healthy at a burger joint.
Okay, true story. I walked in craving a salad. Yes, a salad at McDonald's. And I said, "I'd like the grilled chicken salad, please." The cashier looked at me like I had two heads and asked, "You sure? No fries?" I laughed and said, "Nope, I'm trying to be good today." But then I caved and added large fries anyway. Moral of the story, sometimes you need the phrase, "Actually, can I change that?" when your willpower fails.
That's gold. Viewers, write this down. Actually, can I change that? Or, on second thought, can I add? These save you when you suddenly want extra nuggets or a milkshake.
Let's do another full role play, but this time at KFC, because who doesn't love fried chicken? I'll be the cashier again. "Hello, welcome to KFC. What would you like to order?"
Hi there. I'll take the 8-piece family bucket, please.
Nice. Original or extra crispy?
Extra crispy, thanks. And can we get 2 sides of mashed potatoes and some coleslaw?
You got it. Any biscuits or gravy with that?
Yes, please. 4 biscuits and extra gravy on the side.
Perfect. Anything else?
That's all for now. Oh, and to go, please.
Coming right up. Your total is...
See? We added I'll take, can we get, extra on the side, and coming right up is what the cashier says when they're ready. That phrase makes you feel like your food is magically appearing in seconds.
Let's talk vocabulary, because fast food menus love fancy words. Combo or meal means burger plus fries plus drink. It's usually cheaper than ordering everything separate. Bucket or share box is for families. Extra crispy means more crunch. On the side is magic when you don't want sauce all over your food.
Another big one is, can I get that without onions or no pickles, please? Perfect for allergies or picky eaters.
Speaking of picky eaters, I once heard a customer say, "Can you make it with no mayo, extra cheese, and add jalapenos?" The cashier didn't even blink. That's the power of clear English.
Let's practice a custom order right now. Leo, you be the customer this time, and I'll be the cashier at Subway. Hi, welcome to Subway. What can I get for you?
Hey, I'd like a foot-long Italian BMT on wheat bread, please.
Toasted or untoasted?
Toasted, thanks. And can I have extra cheese?
Sure. Any veggies?
Yes, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, and extra pickles. Oh, and no onions.
Got it. Sauce?
Honey mustard and a little mayo, please. Boom! Look at all those useful phrases. Foot-long, on wheat bread, toasted or untoasted, extra cheese, any veggies, and sauce. Subway workers ask these every single day, so knowing the answers makes you sound like a regular.
Now let's make it funny. Imagine you're super tired and you mix up your words. Pretend I'm the customer and I'm half asleep. I'd like a chicken thingy with the spicy stuff.
The cashier would probably say, "You mean the spicy chicken sandwich?"
Exactly. So instead of saying thingy, use real words like spicy chicken sandwich or crispy chicken burger. If you forget the name, point and say, "Can I have that one, please?" while smiling. It works.
Another hilarious situation, the drive-thru. You're in your car, speaker crackling, and you have to speak clearly. Let's role-play a drive-thru order. I'll be the voice on the speaker. "Welcome to McDonald's drive-thru. Can I take your order?"
Hi, can I please get a quarter pounder with cheese, large fries, and a chocolate shake?
Would you like to make that a meal?
Yes, please. And can I add 2 apple pies?
Sure thing. Pull forward to the next window.
Pull forward to the next window is the magic sentence you'll hear. It means drive up to pay and get your food. Also say, "Can I please get," instead of just "give me." It's way friendlier and you'll get better service.
Pro tip. At the payment window, they might say, "That'll be $12.49. You can reply, "Here you go," or "Do you take card?" Or even joke, "Ouch, my wallet is crying."
Light humor works. Or say, "Keep the change," if you're feeling generous.
Another scenario, ordering for a group. This one's longer but super useful. Imagine you're buying for the whole family. I'll be the cashier. "Hi, what can I get for you?"
Hi, we need 1 Big Mac, 1 cheeseburger Happy Meal for a kid, 2 large fries, and 3 Cokes. Oh, and a filet-o-fish for my husband.
Any sauces with that?
Yes, ketchup, sweet and sour, and barbecue, please.
For here or to go?
To go. And can we get extra napkins?
You got it.
We need Happy Meal, sauces, extra napkins. Group ordering phrases make you sound organized and confident.
Now let's do something fun. The hangry order. You're super hungry and a little impatient. Hi, welcome.
Finally, I'll take the 10-piece chicken nuggets, large Coke, and hurry because I'm starving.
Slow down, Tiger. Instead of hurry, try as quick as possible, please. Or just smile and say, I'm in a bit of a rush today. It keeps things friendly.
Let's do a mobile app order conversation because more and more people order on their phones now. Pretend we're looking at the app together. Okay, Leo, I'm tapping Order Now. What should I get?
Get the 2 for $5 deal. It's a steal.
Nice. Now I'm adding to cart and checking out. The app says ready in 15 minutes. Then I pick it up and say to the worker, "Hi, I'm here for mobile order number 4782."
Exactly. Mobile order, ready in, pickup, order number. These are the new normal.
What if something goes wrong, like they forgot your fries? "Hi, I ordered a combo, but there are no fries in the bag. Can I get them now?"
Oh no, absolutely. I'll grab them for you right away. Sorry about that.
See? I ordered, but, plus, can I get them now, fixes problems without drama.
Let's add some humor again. Imagine you order a kid's meal by accident as an adult.
I once said, "I'll take the Happy Meal," and the cashier asked, "How old is the child?" I replied, me? I'm 28, but I want the toy."
Classic. You can laugh and say, the toy is for my inner child. Everyone will smile.
Now let's review the top 20 must-know phrases so they stick in your head. I'll say them, and Leah will give a quick example. Number 1, I'd like.
I'd like a cheeseburger, please.
Number 2, can I have?
Can I have extra ketchup?
Number 3, would you like to?
Would you like to supersize that? Though they don't say supersize much anymore, it's still funny.
Number 4, for here or to go?
For here, please. I'm eating in the restaurant today.
Number 5, any sauces?
Yes, honey mustard on the side.
Number 6, I'm allergic to?
I'm allergic to nuts, so no peanut sauce.
Number 7, can I change that to?
Can I change that to oat milk?
Number 8, my order number is?
My order number is 3921 for pickup.
Number 9, keep the change.
Here's a 20, keep the change.
Number 10, thanks, have a great day.
Thanks, have a great day.
And there are 10 more we'll keep practicing in our next role plays.
Let's do one giant mega role play that combines everything. Breakfast at a fast food spot. Hi, welcome. What can I get started?
Good morning. I'd like the breakfast burrito combo with hash browns, please.
Egg or sausage in the burrito?
Sausage. And can I add extra cheese?
Sure. Drink?
Orange juice. And make it a meal. To go.
Anything else?
Actually, can I add a blueberry muffin?
Coming right up. Your total is $9.99.
Here you go. Can I get a receipt, please?
Perfect. Pull forward and we'll have your order ready in 2 minutes.
See how we mixed breakfast words like hash browns, breakfast burrito, egg or sausage? Every chain has its own breakfast menu, but the patterns are the same.
Now let's talk about cultural stuff lightly. In English-speaking countries, fast food is quick and friendly. Smiling and saying please and thank you goes a long way. No need to bargain like in some markets. The price is the price.
But you can ask, is there a deal today? Or any promotions? And they'll happily tell you.
Another funny one is the endless, would you like to try our new...
Cashier, would you like to try our new spicy McChicken?
You? Maybe next time, thanks. Or if you're feeling adventurous, sure, why not? Add one.
Viewers, try this at home. Pause the video and order your favorite fast food out loud right now using today's phrases. Pretend I'm the cashier. Go.
I bet you nailed it. If you messed up a word, no problem. That's how we learn.
Let's do one more scenario. Ordering dessert after the main meal. Hi, I already have my burger, but can I add a hot fudge sundae?
Absolutely. Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please, with extra whipped cream.
You got it.
Can I add? With extra, you got it. These keep the conversation flowing even when you order in stages.
What if you're ordering for someone else who's picky? My friend wants no tomatoes, light sauce, and the burger well done.
You can say, my friend would like the burger with no tomatoes, light sauce, and well done, please. Clear and simple.
We've covered drive-through, in-store, app, allergies, groups, breakfast, dessert, custom orders, payment, and even silly mistakes. That's a full toolkit.
Let's do a quick lightning round. I'll throw situations at you, Leo, and you answer fast. You want a large fries but no salt.
Can I get large fries with no salt, please?
You're in a hurry and want everything in one bag.
Can you put everything in one bag, please?
The total is higher than you expected.
Whoa, can I see the receipt? I think I was charged for something extra.
You want to compliment the worker because the service was great.
Thanks so much. You made my day. See? Short, natural replies work wonders.
All right, friends, we've laughed, practiced, and learned over 50 useful phrases today. The most important thing? Speak with a smile in your voice. Even on the phone or drive-through speaker, people can hear friendliness.
Exactly. Fast food is part of daily life for millions, so mastering this English makes you feel independent and cool wherever you travel.
Before we wrap up, here's your homework. Next time you order fast food, record yourself on your phone using these phrases. Then compare it to our role plays. You'll be amazed how much better you sound.
And tag us on social media with hashtag #LifeEnglishProFastFood. We love hearing your stories.
If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Next week, we're tackling ordering at a fancy restaurant. Even more phrases.
Thanks for spending this time with us. You're doing awesome. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, every order is a chance to level up your English.
This is Sarah.
And Leo.
Signing off from Life English Pro. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Stay hungry for English and for fries.